Hi everyone. So in this video, I'll be guiding you how you can install mongoDB in Windows. So for installing it, you need to visit this link, mongodb.com in your browser. And from there, you need to go to this product section and you need to come here to this community server. So you need to click on this community server and here we'll be installing this server. So now if you scroll down here, you are able to see the version, platform and package. Now you need to click on this download button. So once you completed the download process, you need to open this file explorer. You need to come to download. And from here, you are able to see the file that you have downloaded. You need to double click it. And then you need to click on next. You need to accept it. Again, next. Now here you need to choose the complete. So click on complete. Make sure this install mongoDB as a service is checked. And then click on next. Make sure here this mongoDB compass installation is also checked. Now click on next. And now you need to click on install. So it will take some time. You need to wait for the same. Now, once the installation done, please click on this finish. And now you can able to open this mongoDB compass. So if you open it, you can able to see it's asking for new connection. So this will be your link. You don't have to worry. Just click on this connect. Now, if you click this connect here, you can able to see that all the database hosted. So these are by default database that are created by Mongo itself. You can create new database from here also. Suppose testDB. Again, you can create one collection user. Collection is nothing but table that you created in MySQL. So I'm creating this database. You can see testDB is the database, and inside that we have one collection called user. So it is kind of graphical user interface for seeing or visualizing your MongoDB database. Now we'll be installing one more thing that is called cell. So for installing the cell, you need to again visit this product. And from here, you need to go inside this tool section. And here we'll be going into this cell. So now you'll be able to see these kind of, so products, tool and cell. Now you can download the cell from here. So again, it will open in this cell download prompt. And here you are able to see the version, the platform and the package. So you need to click on this download. Now, once the file downloaded, you need to go to your Explorer again, go to download from here. And here you are able to see the zip file that you have downloaded for the cell. Now, as it is zip file, we need to unzip it, right? So we'll be right clicking here and click on this extract all. Now here we need to choose the path. So I'll be clicking on this browse, and here I need to go inside my C drive. So C drive in my computer. So after that, inside C drive, I need to go to program files. And from here, I need to choose mongoDB, right? So I'll be clicking on this mongoDB, and here you are able to see server that you already installed. So this is the path. I need to select the folder, and you can see C program files, and inside that mongoDB. So I'll be extracting it inside that file. So here I'll be clicking on continue. And now you can see that along with server, we have one more thing for the cell. So we need to go inside this file, and inside that we need to go inside bin. And from here, we need to copy the path of this bin file. Now, after copying the path, we need to search for edit system environment variables. From here, we need to go to this advanced tab and click on this environment variables. And inside that, you can find system variables. Now I need to click on this path, double click, and here I need to click on new. And I need to paste the value here, basically the path of that bin folder. So C, program files, mongoDB, the cell folder, and inside that bin. I'll be clicking on OK. Again, OK, done. Now after that, we need to open my command prompt. And here if I type Mongo Sage, and if you hit enter here, so you can see that mongoDB connection has been established here. So now here I can write mongoDB command. So suppose databases. Now, if I hit enter here, you are able to see that admin, config, local, and this test DB that you had created. So all the databases you are able to see. The same thing you are able to see here in Mongo Compass also. So yeah, that's the thing. So you need to download Mongo Compass server and this cell for running MongoDB. Thank you.